Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2011 Yamaha Stryker. This is a 1300cc V-twin, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected power cruiser. It's really more of like a custom-style bike. Gorgeous styling on this low-slung Yamaha big bore cruiser. Comes with the mini windscreen, big fat rear tire. This thing is shaft drive. Oh, my bad, belt drive. Beautiful black satin finish. Come by, make your cruiser dreams come true. This gorgeous bike, priced at just $56.99. This thing is not going to be here long. Don't miss out. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.